Welcome back to T-Facts. Today, we have 4 intriguing stories from the world of reality TV and celebrity news that you won't want to miss. First up, we have Savannah Chrisley making headlines with her fiery response to a comment from a fan. Often known for her outspoken nature, Savannah didn't hold back when someone questioned her claims of being a single parent. What did she say that sparked such strong reactions? Let's find out. Next, we turn our attention to Julie Chrisley, who is pushing for a new judge in her ongoing legal battle. With her family dynamic shifting and time spent behind bars, what led Julie to take this drastic step? Stay tuned as we break down her request for a fresh perspective in her fraud case. In our third story, Savannah opens up about the challenges of raising her younger siblings while their parents are incarcerated. She candidly shares how her brother Grayson has had to mature rapidly and navigate life as a college student. What struggles are they facing as a family? We'll explore this heartfelt story. Finally, we revisit Julie Chrisley, who is not backing down in her fight for freedom. After receiving an unexpected extension to her probation, Julie is demanding a new judge for her case. What does this mean for her future, and how does Savannah feel about these developments? Let's delve into the details. Stick around as we unpack these stories and give you our insights. Let's dive into our first story about Savannah Chrisley, who recently made headlines after a confrontation with a fan on social media. Known for her fiery attitude, Savannah has never been one to shy away from speaking her mind. This time, it all started with an innocent-looking video of her playing golf, where she encouraged her followers to take up the sport and even asked them to tag their favorite golfers. However, one particular comment from a fan caught her attention and ignited a dramatic response. The fan's remark seemed to mock Savannah's assertion of being a single parent while taking care of her niece, Chloe, who she has been raising in the absence of her incarcerated parents, Todd and Julie Chrisley. While many fans came to Savannah's defense, others questioned her title of single parent, arguing that she is not Chloe's biological mother, but rather her aunt. Savannah didn't hold back in her rebuttal, taking to social media to express her frustration and defend her position. The backlash from the fans' comment not only led to heated discussions on her social platforms, but also highlighted the complexities of her family situation. With Todd and Julie serving time in prison, Savannah has stepped up to raise her younger siblings, Chloe and Grayson, while navigating her own life challenges. Fans have expressed mixed feelings about Savannah's claims and her efforts to handle her family's unique circumstances. Many sympathize with her burden as she juggles her responsibilities, while others criticize the way she portrays her situation. It raises important questions about what it means to be a single parent and the public's perception of family dynamics. What are your thoughts on Savannah Chrisley's confrontation with fans and her claims of being a single parent? Let us know in the comments below as we continue to follow her journey and the ongoing challenges she faces. Moving on to our second story, we turn our attention to Julie Chrisley, who is taking significant steps in her legal battle by pushing for a new judge. After receiving a surprising extension to her probation during her resentencing, Julie has expressed dissatisfaction with the treatment she received from her previous judge. Frustrated by the outcome of her case, she's determined to seek a fresh perspective on her situation. Julie and her husband Todd Chrisley have been serving time in federal prison due to their convictions for bank fraud and tax evasion, amounting to a combined total of 19 years. While Todd is currently incarcerated in Pensacola, Florida, Julie is serving her sentence in Kentucky. Their daughter Savannah has taken on the tremendous responsibility of caring for her younger siblings during this challenging time. The push for a new judge comes as Julie attempts to find justice in her case. In September 2024, she faced resentencing that didn't go as hoped. Rather than being granted leniency, an additional 2 years of probation were added to her sentence. This unexpected outcome left both Julie and Savannah in shock, leading to Julie's decision to request a change in judicial oversight. In a statement from her attorney, they argued that the resentencing could have been influenced by judicial prejudice due to Savannah's public criticisms regarding the inhumane conditions her parents faced while incarcerated. Julie's legal team believes that this bias merits reassignment to a new judge, claiming, "The court refused any downward variance while expressing displeasure with Savannah's public statements. implying that the judge's decisions may have been retaliatory. Julie's fight for a new judge is not just about her own freedom. It also highlights the ongoing struggle of the Chrisley family as they navigate the complexities of the legal system. As Savannah continues to cry out for justice for her parents, her advocacy has garnered mixed reactions from fans and the public. Some support her relentless efforts, while others question the family's overall narrative. What do you think about Julie Chrisley's decision to seek a new judge? Is this the right move in her fight for freedom? Let us know your thoughts in the comments as we continue to follow their story. In our third story, we focus on Savannah Chrisley as she opens up about the challenges she faces while taking care of her younger siblings, Chloe and Grayson, following their parents' incarceration. This has been a transformative experience for Savannah, who has had to step into the role of guardian at such a young age. Recently, Savannah reflected on how Grayson, who is now attending the University of Alabama, has had to grow up quickly due to their family's circumstances. As she navigates her new responsibilities, she admits that it hasn't been easy. Savannah is not only managing her own emotions, but also supporting her siblings through the emotional turbulence brought on by their parents' legal troubles. In an exclusive interview, Savannah shared poignant details about how Grayson has matured beyond his years. She expressed a sense of sadness about how the situation has forced him to grow up too fast. "He had to grow up so fast, and I hate it," Savannah revealed. But at the same time, this whole situation has taught him how cruel the world can be and how you have to protect yourself. Despite these challenges, she takes pride in the person Grayson is becoming, emphasizing that he is thriving in college and pursuing his passion for sports management. Savannah also discussed the difficulties surrounding Chloe's identity within the family. As an adopted child, Chloe is often referred to as Savannah's niece rather than her sister, a distinction that deeply affects Savannah. She hopes to create an environment where all three siblings can find stability and strength in each other, regardless of the societal labels they face. This heartfelt story highlights the resilience of the Chrisley family as they confront their new reality. Savannah's commitment to her siblings reveals a strong familial bond amidst adversity, showcasing her determination to provide a nurturing environment. How do you feel about Savannah stepping up as a guardian? What do you think the future holds for them? Share your thoughts in the comments below as we continue to follow their journey. Finally, we turn back to Julie Chrisley, who remains resolute in her fight for freedom amidst a challenging legal landscape. Following the unexpected increase in her probation period during her resentencing, Julie is now demanding a new judge to oversee her case. This latest development underscores her determination to seek justice after feeling frustrated by the outcomes dictated by the previous court ruling. After serving time for bank fraud and tax evasion alongside her husband, Todd, Julie is eager to have her convictions reviewed. She believes that she deserves a fair hearing and a fresh chance to argue her case under new eyes. Julie's legal team has voiced that this move is not just a legal strategy, but a crucial step towards correcting what they see as a miscarriage of justice. The context surrounding Julie's plea escalates the stakes even further. The family's very public struggles and Savannah's vocal support have not only drawn in a significant amount of media attention, but have also led to polarized opinions from the public. Some fans rally behind Julie, championing her fight against what they view as an unfair judicial system, while others remain skeptical of the Chrisley family's narrative. In her push for a new judge, Julie's attorneys have cited potential biases involved in her resentencing, stating that the outcome may have been influenced by her daughter Savannah's criticisms of the conditions they've faced while incarcerated. This has raised important questions about how personal experiences and public statements can intersect with the legal process. As Savannah continues to advocate for her parents' freedom through social media and public appearances, the family's story remains one of resilience, drama, and hope. With Julie now seeking a new judicial review, both she and Savannah are dedicated to fighting for a different outcome. What do you think about Julie's decision to push for a new judge? Is there hope for a change in her situation? Let us know in the comments as we keep you updated on the latest developments in this ongoing saga.